Let's review. Wherever you see this RAM symbol, that means that's a question that you need to complete. The other questions are there because it is information that we have covered, and it may be on the exam, but it's there for you if you feel like you need extra practice. Let's go down to the first section. The first section asks you to highlight whether each description is an observation or an inference. An observation is anything that uses the 5 senses, any information you can get using see, hear, taste, touch, or smell. An inference is anything that you can guess off of the information that you have gathered. And we'll see in these first couple how it goes. The volcano is erupting. How would I be able to do that? I would have to be able to look and see smoke or feel the ground vibrating. So that, to me, is an observation. I smell smoke. See, hear, taste, touch, and smell. Observation. There must be a groundhog living in the backyard. What does that state about what they saw? Maybe they saw holes in the ground. Maybe they didn't see holes in the ground. Okay, so this is where they're getting an answer or a guess based upon the information that they have. So this one falls into it. If you need more practice for this section, please complete D.